Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Windows updates and GPU drivers because outdated system files cause DirectX runtime errors. Run Palworld as administrator and verify game files in your launcher to fix corrupted assets. Next, install the DirectX End-User Runtime, June 2010, even if newer DirectX is present. It includes legacy DLLs games need. Once done, reboot and keep your GPU driver installer handy. Make sure Windows displays the updated driver version before continuing to the next steps. You now handle deeper issues. If a specific DLL error appears, reinstall the DirectX package rather than grabbing single DLLs off the web. This preserves system integrity. Disable overlays and run a clean boot to rule out injected hooks that break DirectX initialization. If your system has integrated and dedicated GPUs, force Palworld to use the dedicated GPU in Windows graphics settings or your GPU control panel. Once set, relaunch and watch for different error messages to guide further action. To finish, you repair Windows system files with SFC and DISM to eliminate corrupted runtime libraries that DirectX relies on. If the game still fails, switch to windowed or borderless mode and lower graphics settings to bypass problematic feature calls. Clear temp and shader cache to force regeneration. If the error persists, capture the exact DirectX error code and GPU driver logs so you can provide precise data to support. A single troubleshooting tip. Test in a new Windows user account to isolate profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.